How to fix something went wrong. Please try again on ROBLOX. Encountering this issue on ROBLOX, here's how to resolve it and get back to gaming. First, visit the ROBLOX status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. If servers are down, the problem is on ROBLOX's end and you'll need to wait until it's resolved. For browser users, clearing cache and cookies can resolve login issues, so go to your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear browsing data. Sometimes a simple restart can fix connectivity issues, so turn off your device and router, wait for a few minutes, then turn them back on. Now, uninstall the ROBLOX application from your device. Download and install the latest version from the official ROBLOX website. If none of this works, you can try disabling VPN or proxy services if you're using any. Disable them temporarily. These services can interfere with ROBLOX's connection. You can also try a different network, so switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data to see if the issue persists with both. And then, as a last resort, contact ROBLOX support if none of the above solutions work. You can reach out to them for further assistance. And by following all of these steps, you should be able to fix the issue. Thanks for watching.